This Cissus discolour is one of our very beautiful native plant. It occurs in this Western Ghats area and all, and it makes. It's not that easy to grow, but with little advanced gardeners can use this plant in their balconies and all. It's very pretty. It's also available in one or two nurseries. Though in foreign countries, I've seen that it is gaining popularity in places like America and all kind of places. But our Indian gardeners, they are so much hypnotized by these foreign plants and all that we don't even look at our local stuff. This is such a beautiful thing. Such nice coloring is there. Eminently